In today's video, we're going to be showing you two of the greatest apps that we've ever known. These two apps are going to help you make up to $1,000 and have it sent straight into your PayPal account. What you're going to need to have for today's strategy is just a mobile phone or a computer. It doesn't matter which one you have, as long as you have any of the two, you're pretty much set. Make sure that you also have an internet connection ready because you're also going to need that. This strategy will not require any investment or payment from you, which means that our method is 100% free, as always. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our first app or website for today is called userfeel.com, and this is how their website should look like. Now let's go through this website really quickly, just so we can get to know it more. A better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fee is needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers without an expensive subscription. From $60 per user test, trusted by over 500 organizations, as you can see over here. There are over 150,000 qualified testers from all over the world, which is such a great thing to know. How does UserFeel compare to other popular user testing tools? There's no subscription needed. You're gonna get paid $60 per test. There are over 40 languages available. You can bring your own testers. There are advanced demographics, there's unlimited screener questions, there are unmoderated and moderated user tests, there are video highlight reels, and there's also audio transcription for those who want to do that. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or your smartphone. So read the following instructions, and you can even watch the example video on here to understand what the customers are looking for from a tester, just so you know what is expected of you. Now, you are supposed to read the instructions carefully before applying, or you're gonna risk your precious time and you're not gonna get paid. Now, some facts about testers. Let's go through them to better understand this website and its opportunities. What do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their project or their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. How do I get paid and how much? For each test that you conduct after the initial qualification test, you're going to get paid $10. You receive payment after approval, about 1 week after the test, via PayPal or Amazon gift cards, whatever you want. You can set your preferred form of payment in your profile. And if you don't have a PayPal account, you can open one at www.paypal.com. How much can I earn per month as a tester? Now, this is obviously not guaranteed, but something to look forward to. Obviously, the amount of money you can earn depends on your rating as a tester. You get rated by the UserFeel team for the first qualification test. Then you get rated by our customers for each paid test you take. The better your rating, the more tests will be assigned to you, and the amount of tests you receive will also depend on the amount of orders we get that ask for your demographic profile. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. There's no guaranteed number of tests. You may get 5 tests today, you may get no tests for like a year. So that's basically this website and some of its most asked questions that you would have probably wanted to know. And it's super easy to get hired here, and literally you can start earning right away. To officially start the process, you can easily click on become a tester right here and then fill up all of the details being asked of you. So your first name, your last name, your email address twice, the country you live in, and again, all countries from A to Z. You're gonna find your year of birth, your password twice, your payment method, and make sure you fill this out completely and accurately, or else you won't get paid. And then you can finish up and apply, wait for an acceptance email, and as soon as you get accepted, you could start making money with this website and make over $1,000 every month. So make sure you try this website out. Our second and our last website is called moneyapp.org, and it says complete simple offers and earn money. You can download this on both your Android and iOS devices, so don't even worry about it. How it works: the Money app is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. You earn credit. Complete as many tasks as you can in Hot Offers tab. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and a lot more. We recommend checking the offers stated as hot, as update often, and provide high credits. You can cash out once your credits balance, which is displayed on the top right of the screen, is enough to cash out. You can do so at the Payouts tab by requesting a payout to be sent to your PayPal account. And then you can enjoy your money. Payouts take around 2 days, 48 hours, and are paid directly into your account. We notify you once the payout is completed, and then you can enjoy your money. So this is how it would look like if you look it up in the App Store. And as you can see, it has a 4.9 rating out of 5, which is absolutely high, which means that this app overall is great. You make money every day. This is the #1 rewards app, and you get paid fast. They're completing easy tasks, and then you can get cash from doing so. And of course, you get real money and not vouchers. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Earn money with small tasks. It's the #1 best rewards app. You get money for completing tasks, giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shopping, testing services, free trials, literally everything. There are new tasks that are updated often, so you'd never run out of money-making opportunities. You can do it anytime and can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated missions, and best of all, it's a fun and quick way to make a few extra bucks. Money app pays fast, no gift cards or discounts. You are paid hard cash into your PayPal account. So that's 2 of the websites. Make sure that you download them both, sign up on both, and start earning. And that's literally the only way you're gonna come out the way we want you to come out. So make sure you do that, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.